So here goes the presentation of the idea of Batayon. A Bangla word stands for Windows. So firstly, what is the problem we're going to solve here? There are two types of internet system in Bangladesh. The first one is high-speed broadband internet, but that is basically confined in the divisional cities, and the pricing is not also affordable for the lower income people. And people use mobile data packs, but they are dissatisfactory in cases of pricing and speed. Besides, BTCL has countrywide network, but it is mostly unused. So, price, speed, and reach, three basic concerns of Wi-Fi service, are not being simultaneously met in Bangladesh. So, what Batayon is going to exhibit to the customers? As far as BTCL has its network, Batayon is going to deploy its own customized routers and create public Wi-Fi zones, and people will purchase data packs using a mobile application. And the USP of our product will be the seamless Wi-Fi network, cheaper data packs, and quality of service agreement. There is a huge market of Wi-Fi or internet business in Bangladesh. Almost 160 million of people use mobile phone, and among them 93 million of people are internet subscribers in our country. But the average revenue per user in Bangladesh is not even $3, which is significantly low than that of Asia Pacific and the world. And in our GDP, 6.2% share of GDP generation comes from mobile ecosystem. So if we can approach this huge market, the company can easily sustain. So what is our go-to-market plan? We'll create public Wi-Fi zones both in rural and urban areas, in households and public spots. And the pricing will be cheaper, speed will be the prime concern, and most significantly, there will be no date expiry of our data packs. We are initially targeting 10% of this mega market and expecting at the end of the fourth year we will be the market leader, and our revenue will be generated from data packs, advertisements, and data management. We have a planning for first 6 months. Within this period, we will create the hardware, the software, deploy at least in 2 urban and 2 rural public spots, and will cover up to 5 urban households and 5 rural households. We also have business, technical, and financial plan for 4 years, and within that time, we will cover up the whole Bangladesh. We have market competitors like telecom brands and ISPs, but we also have competitive advantages like utilizing government network and focusing on rural customer base. Here we are requesting for a seed fund of 1 million taka, and we are targeting the industry of telecom and networking, and timeline to achieve goals is 6 months. Here in the product architecture, ISP will be connected to the agent hub, that means Wi-Fi spots, through fiber cable, and user will get access via an web application. The data of the user will be reserved in a central user database, which will be accessed by the radius server that connects the agent hub. And there are 4 key factors of our product architecture. There are dedicated router developed by Batayon. There are connectivity connected by the ISP, that means BTCL. There are 2 types of server. One is radius server and one is central database for storage of user data. And finally, an web application via which the user will get access. We have a team where Mr. Abu Said Konok is the CEO, Dipto Shah is the COO, Mr. Aminul Islam is the CSO, Najmuddoha Ansari is the CTO, and Habibur Rahman is head of R&D. Here we have assembled our designation, educational qualification, experience in years, and relevant field of study. Most importantly, all of us are from engineering background. Here are board members and investors of our project. And that's all from us. Thank you.